Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Settings and navigating to Accounts, then Sign-in options so you can reach the password controls. Once there, select Password and choose Change. You need to enter your current password to prove identity. This step prevents unauthorized hint changes, which is why Windows requires confirmation. Make sure your device is unlocked or you have credentials on hand, because you'll be prompted immediately to type the existing password before creating or editing the hint. Now you'll create or edit the hint itself. After confirming the current password, type a concise hint that jogs your memory without revealing the password. Explain how to choose wording, use associations, dates format, or an abbreviation you'll recall, but avoid full words or obvious phrases that others could guess. Once you enter a hint, double-check for typos because the hint stays tied to that account. Save changes and wait for confirmation that Windows has updated the hint. Finish by clicking Finish and then lock the screen or sign out to verify the hint appears beneath the password box. If it doesn't show right away, sign out and sign back in. Windows sometimes needs a session refresh to display updates. Make sure the account is local versus Microsoft, since behavior differs. If you're locked out despite the hint, use the recovery options or the reset password flow to regain access. One key tip: avoid revealing direct passwords in the hint to keep your account secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.